be rewarded with triple points. So ito guys, yung pinakamaganda dito is it's because triple points siya, kumbaga. Earn 3 points for every 20 pesos spent on all your purchases forever using your Security Bank World Mastercard. What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Security Bank World Mastercard. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits at saka yung application requirements at the same time yung fees and charges ng credit card na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, ito yung highest tier na credit card ni Security Bank which is yung World Mastercard. Uunahin ko na guys yung fees and charges niya. Unang-una guys is yung annual fee. Magkano nga ba yung annual fee ni Security Bank World Mastercard? As you can see here guys, this is worth 5,000 pesos which is naka-waive siya on the first year. Meaning, sa second year na kayo matcha-charge ng 5,000 pesos on the anniversary date of your approval for this credit card which is yung Security Bank World Mastercard. Regarding naman sa first supplementary, kung gusto nyong kunan ng supplementary card itong si Security Bank World Mastercard, of course, kung gusto nyong i-share yung benefits sa family ninyo, free po yung first supplementary card. On the second, may bayad na siya which is nakalagay dito, succeeding supplementary cards is 2,500 pesos. First supplementary credit card lang yung free guys. Then let's talk about interest. Yung interest rate per month niya is 3%. Late payment fee is 1,000 pesos or $20 or unpaid minimum amount due whichever is higher. Ang ibig sabihin ng whichever is higher guys, kung alin yung mas mataas dyan. Halimbawa, yung unpaid minimum amount due niya is mas mataas sa 1,000 pesos, yun yung masusunod. Ngayon, kung mas mababa sa 1,000, yung 1,000 pesos yung masusunod, it's because yun yung parang minimum fee nila. Cash advance fee is 200 pesos or $3 per transaction. So, regarding cash advance fee, so yung sinasabing cash advance guys is parang yung credit limit nyo ay may allotted amount for cash advance, which is kapag in-avail nyo yun, bawat cash advance transaction nyo is 200 pesos. Charge light plan, pre-termination fee, 5% of the unbilled portion of the principal amount. So, ano siya guys, kapag itong sinasabi na charge light plan, pre-termination fee, yung may installment kumbaga, tapos 5% siya sa unbilled portion ng inyong principal amount. Yung hindi pa nabayaran, 5% doon, yun yung babayaran ninyo kapag gusto nyo tapusin yung installment cash ninyo sa Security Bank. Charge slip retrieval fee is 400 pesos per sales slip. Last card or card replacement fee is 400 pesos. Kapag nawala yung card ninyo or nagka-problema, gusto nyo palitan, 400 pesos yon. Tapos, card certification fee, 200 pesos for full statement of account, 300 pesos for goods credit standing. Return check fee is 1,250 per peso per return check or $25 per dollar return check. Then skip na natin yung iba kasi hindi naman siya importante. Yung over limit fee, kailangan yung tatandaan guys na sa Security Bank ay may over limit fee which is 500 pesos will be charged at any time the outstanding balance exceeds the approved credit limit. Over limit fee will be charged once within the statement cycle. So, isang beses lang naman siya ma-charge within billing cycle which is 500 pesos. ADA fee, 250 pesos. For peso account, if ADA account has insufficient funds. So, kapag may mga naka-auto debit arrangement kayo doon, tapos insufficient funds yung account niyo, magpo-push through yun. So, may bayad siya na 250 pesos. Account maintenance fee. So, ito kapag hindi nyo ginagamit yung credit card ninyo, kailangan aware kayo dito. Nakalagay dito, account maintenance fee. Kahit hindi nyo gamitin yung credit card nyo, magkakaroon pa rin siya ng charge. Kaya dapat aware kayo doon kasi kapag hindi nyo ginamit yung credit card ninyo within 12 months, matatag siya as dormant account. Nakalagay kasi dito, are closed or with no activity for the past 12 months, which is $5 or amount equivalent to the credit balance, whichever is lower, will be charged to the accounts with credit balance that are closed or no activity for the past 12 months. Payment transfer fee, kapag gusto nyo magpa-transfer ng fee, 100 pesos if transferring from peso account, $2.5 if transferring from US dollar. Quasi-cash fee is 2.5% of transacted amount. Change in credit card statement cut off. Kung gusto niyo papalitan yung statement date ninyo, halimbawa, di ba, 3, tapos yung statement date is 3, tapos yung ganito, gusto niyo papalitan yan, 2,000 pesos kapag gusto niyo magpapalit. Then, reinstatement fee, 200 pesos. Yung reinstatement fee, guys, kapag gusto niyo ipabalik yung credit card ninyo kasi na-cut or na-close, something ganyan. Then ito dapo na tayo ngayon sa perks and benefits ng World Mastercard. Enjoy premium benefits like worldwide airport lounge access, free travel insurance, exclusive deals, and more with our World Mastercard. Savings account and credit card bundle. So, enjoy the full benefits of having savings account and credit card that fit your lifestyle with one application. So, ibig sabihin kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, kapag na-approve kayo, automatic may savings account na kayo sa kanila. Gagawan kayo diretso. Enjoy a premium lounge experience with Mastercard Travel Pass. Travel with your Security Bank World Mastercard and enjoy access to over 1,000 airport lounges worldwide via Mastercard Travel Pass. Switch and be rewarded with Tripol points. So, ito guys, yung pinakamaganda dito, it's because Tripol points siya, kumbaga. Earn 3 points for every 20 pesos spent on all your purchases forever using your Security Bank World Mastercard. Ito yung pinakamagandang features ni Security Bank World Mastercard, guys. Kasi sa 20 pesos, 3 points agad yung ma-earn ninyo. So, ibig sabihin, sa 100 pesos, 15 points agad siya. So, sa 1,000, 150 points agad yun. Yun yung kinaganda dito. Free annual fee for life on your first supplementary card. Share the benefits of your Security Bank credit card with your loved ones. So, yung unang supplementary credit card under the Security Bank World Mastercard is free po siya. The rest is 2,500 pesos kasi 5,000 yung annual fee ng Security Bank World Mastercard. Parang 50% kapag sa supplementary, kaya 2,500. Mastercard Travel Pass. Enjoy access to more than 1,300 lounges in over 500 airports worldwide, as well as dining offers from select exclusive airport merchants with your World Mastercard. So, ito yung sinasabi na minsan, yung credit card natin is nagpo-promo sa mga selected restaurants which is umaabot ng 50%. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito. Free travel insurance, get coverage on accidents and more when you book your airline ticket with your World Mastercard. So, of course, kailangan kapag nag-book kayo ng plane tickets ninyo or anything, dapat using your Security Bank World Mastercard para makover kayo ng insurance. Mastercard Travel Rewards. Enjoy exclusive automatic cashback offers from participating overseas merchants when you travel. Shop and pay with your World Mastercard credit card. E-commerce purchase protection insurance. Get up to $200 coverage when you shop online with your World Mastercard. Unlimited local lounge access. Ito yung maganda rin kasi unlimited local access siya, guys. Local, so ibig sabihin within the Philippines lang. Get free access to the following airport lounges. A Lounge, Marhaba Lounge, and Pugs Lounge. Your card should be active and valid to access to the lounge. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan activated lang card ninyo para makapag-access kayo sa lounge na nabanggit. Unlimited yun, guys, ha? Yun yung maganda. Features and services. 6 complimentary airport lounge access. Available annually for card holders and guests combined to any of the 1,300 lounges in over 500 airports worldwide. So, kanina, sa Pilipinas lang yon, within the Philippines lang kasi local. Ito naman, international, may 6 complimentary airport lounge access siya. Ibig sabihin, free 6 times within a year in annual. Ibig sabihin, sa isang taon, 6 na beses lang. So, baka malito kayo, unlimited lang dito sa Pilipinas, which is na nabanggit sa A Lounge, Marhaba Lounge, then Pugs Lounge. Sa other lounges naman, 6 complimentary access lang siya. Non-expiring rewards points. Earn 3 points for every 20 pesos spent using your Security Bank credit card. So, no expiry po ito siya, yung points na may earn nyo dito sa Security Bank World Mastercard, which is maganda din siya. Then, now, let's move on to eligibility and required documents or requirements. First is kailangan Filipino citizens and Philippine resident ka. Principal card holder must be between 21 to 65 years old, employed as a regular employee for at least 1 year, or self-employed profitably for at least 3 years. So kapag hindi kayo employed, may sarili kayong negosyo, dapat 3 years na profitable yung business ninyo kasi hinahanapan kayo ng latest financial audited statements. Then must have a landline number or email address, of course. Required documents, government should ID bearing ID for employed applicants, statement of account from other banks' credit card, and any of the following: 1 month pay slip or signed COE or ITR, income tax return. For self-employed naman applicants, statement of account or SOA from other banks' credit card and ITR and 2 years of, AFS business permit and DTI SEC registration. So ito yung nahanap sa mga self-employed or businessmen or business women. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!